Insert the USB memory stick with the installation files into the USB port on the user interface. Ensure the LED segments display USB detected when the stick is inserted. Navigate to Update Firmware through the USB Functions menu in the System menu. The data transfers from the USB stick to the system. The percentage climbs to 100% and then instructs you to remove the USB stick after several minutes. The installation files are copied into the system. During this step, the red segments may stop on random characters. Do not worry, this is to be expected. After copy, the system continues to load the applications to each circuit board. When the load application completes, the system will restart and continue with the normal start sequence. When the system has restarted, the settings and programs should be the same as they were before the update was started.